It is truly a privilege and an honor to be here today, and I am humbled to be standing here celebrating these two incredible individuals coming together. Sophia and Ryan are a fun-loving couple. One of their favorite things to do with each other is just to be together, to spend quality time with each other. They are playful, they are creative, they are active, they are also loving. You are each other's partner, each other's best friend. You are each other's person.
Sophia is an extraordinary woman, caring and fun-loving. You are the perfect person for my brother. Ryan is not only my little brother, but an amazing person that I look up to really dearly. I've always been so admired by your drive, your sincerity, and always wanting to solve problems.
Ryan, when I look at you here today, I'm overwhelmed with emotion, confidence, and excitement to continue this journey with you, but now as your wife. There's just something about you that drew me in, and my heart kept telling me this is the one. And to this day, you continually draw me more and more to you, and I fall more and more in love with you.
Sophia, from the first day I met you, I instantly knew that I needed you in my life. You're my best friend and my one true love. There's still part of me today that feels so lucky that I'm the one that gets to marry you. Every day, I love you more than the past. And I can only imagine what our life will be like in the future, knowing how much I love you more and more.
It is my privilege and honor to say, by the power invested in me by the great state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife, Ryan Michael Kalu. You may kiss the bride.